At what age should a baby be rolling over?
Hello and welcome. Today, we're going to delve into an important developmental milestone for your little one, rolling over. Understanding when and how this skill typically unfolds can help you better track your baby's growth and development.
What is rolling over?
Rolling over is a fundamental motor skill that babies develop as they grow. It's an essential part of their physical development, encompassing the baby's ability to turn from their back to their stomach, or vice versa. This ability aids in the development of their arm, neck, and upper body muscles.
At what age should a baby roll over?
Typically, babies start rolling over as early as 4 months. However, it's important to remember that every child is unique, and some may achieve this milestone earlier or later than others. Most babies can roll from their stomach to their back by the time they're around 5 to 6 months old, because they've strengthened the neck and arm muscles during tummy time. Rolling from their back to their stomach usually occurs later, around 5 to 7 months, because it requires more coordination and muscular strength.
What if my baby isn't rolling over yet?
Don't fret if your baby hasn't started rolling over yet. Remember, these timelines are averages, not strict deadlines. Some babies simply take a little more time. If your baby isn't showing signs of rolling over by 6 months, or if you have other concerns about their development, it might be a good idea to discuss this with your pediatrician.
How can I encourage my baby to roll over?
You can help your baby strengthen the necessary muscles for rolling over through regular tummy time. Placing toys just out of reach during these sessions can also encourage them to move and stretch. Remember, never force your baby to roll. It should happen naturally. Understanding your baby's development is a remarkable part of the parenting journey. So, keep in mind that your little one's progress isn't a race. Each child grows and develops at their own pace. Here's to celebrating each moment and milestone along the way.